What's up, guys? It's your boy Jay Wavy. I'm going to tell you guys in this video how to make progress fast. So, how to make progress fast is you're going to need one tool. Still make sure you have a do-rag, make sure you have whatever products that you use, but it comes down to your brush. And that brush is your CQP. My favorite brushes that I got now. My last videos, y'all seen I only had these two, which is the medium brush. Oh my goodness, my hand. And the soft brush. Black. It says Crown Quality products on the side of it. Let me think. Oh. And then I got this one, the medium soft. You progress fast these brushes because, like I already explained, the brush is curved. All of them are. This one was curved. All CQPs are curved. To let y'all know something about these brushes, do not wash them in water. Like what I say, just take a comb, the end of a comb, go through to get all the hairs and dirt out your brush. If you don't want them to do this, crack. Another background on the brushes. Soft. It's soft, but it's kind of like a medium, like a soft medium brush. The medium soft is like a really good medium. The medium brushes, kind of like a hard brush, especially this one. I progress fast because they reach deep into your scalp. They're good brushes. All right, here's my waves. Here's how I'm looking right now. They get in there and everything and whatnot. I've got my waves progress using them CQPs. I can see. Here's my medium soft. Go right on the top, man. This one, these two, the medium soft and the soft, they do good because they do lay your hair down real good. Don't get too deep into your scalp though, but they lay your hair down like what you want them to do. This is the way to progress fast. Curve brushes make you progress fast. That's not no lie at all. See my crown. Your boy better be going up to the Air Force, so they know they're gonna scout me when I go. Which sucks, which means that's why I got these new crowns. So when they scout me, I can just go on and start a new journey all over again. When you get a brush session with these brushes, when you get like a wave enforcer or some kind of flat brush, you going in there for a long brush session. With a CQP, nah, you don't still brush long enough, but you don't gotta be taking all them real long brush sessions, cause this brush do the job. Y'all know when y'all get the brush, that's what it's gonna do. It's gonna go good. Here's doing medium. This one's firmer than my blue one now because of the fact I got my blue one wet. Y'all progress fast with this brush. And the point in the ends of these brushes got like a point to it. So you can work on your crown. So if there's any brush I ever tell y'all I recommend, it would be a CQP. order them online at CQ at I think it's crownqualityproducts.com. You can get them off Amazon, eBay. You can get them on btybox.com. That's where I got my blue one and my green one from. If you live in Delaware, you're going to Wilmington over East Side. Do the hair stress on my walnut. But yeah, that's this video how to progress fast with CTP. Hope y'all like it. Make sure y'all subscribe and y'all comment on this video.